Yeah, moving on to the next question. It says, hi ma'am, can we put mask on a baby below 1 year? And how can we protect the baby from current situation if we need to go to the hospital with them? Extremely important question, and that too for babies less than a year old. And I would say, whoever asked me this question, thank you for asking, because we usually as doctors do not prefer masks for babies who are less than 5 years old. Okay, that's the current consensus of what we have, because those babies or children do not know how to handle the mask, and it is probably not advisable, definitely not advisable for babies less than 1 year. Initially, when this COVID situation started, most of the pediatricians and obstetricians, we were actually advising patients who have delivered recently with us to stop coming to OPs for consultations, because we didn't want them to get exposed, and more so for newborn babies, because you cannot cover them with a mask. And right now, I think, yeah, we have developed strategies both in our clinic, like ours is a ultrasound scan center, and also I presume and also in all the pediatric OP clinics, they have started a protocol, and all major hospital like tertiary care hospital, or let it be a smaller clinic, private clinic setup, or a tertiary care or bigger hospital, multi-specialty hospital, all the hospitals are equipped right now with well sanitized and social distancing protocols. We do have protocols for our hospitals as well, and there is a special designated fever clinic in every hospital, in every multi-specialty hospital. So you can be rest assured that that fever clinic is isolated. If you go to any private hospital, there is a separate block which is for OP block, which is for fever patients alone, even for children, neither for children or for both of them. And there is a separate isolation block for admission. So you don't have to worry. Please call your pediatrician. I would say that first. Please call your pediatrician. Because the appointments nowadays are spread out. We are actually doing only 20 minutes or 30 minutes once we are giving the slot. So during this situation, all the tips which I want to give a newly delivered, like parents who have delivered recently or who are carrying kids who are very young, I would only tell them, one, please contact your pediatricians before starting from your home. Please confirm your appointments. 2, please sanitize yourself. And one more thing I want to tell you, that please do not wear gloves. Gloves are not for patients, are not for attenders, are not for kids. Because gloves, we as healthcare workers or medical workers, we wear gloves for every patient and we change them. We have hand care, we have gloves, and we change for every patient. But because I see plenty of mothers and plenty of attenders with small kids wearing gloves. What happens when you wear gloves is, with the same gloves, you're touching the car handle, you're touching your handbag, you're touching your kids, you're touching your keys, your car keys, you're coming to the hospital, and that glove is the most infected of everything. So I would only recommend you not to wear gloves, but to wash your hands frequently and use sanitizer and distance yourself. Follow social distancing. So 1, call your pediatric office, the clinic, confirm your appointment slot. Please be there 5 minutes earlier to meet your pediatrician. 2, do not put on any mask for children less than 5 years. Yes, definitely you need to cover them. Preferably hold them on. If they are 1 year old or 2 year old, please carry them. Hold them and snugly fitting towards you. Do not wear gloves or hand care for patients. 3, confirm with your pediatrician if the vaccination is of utmost importance right now. Please avoid going to the clinic or OPs or hospitals as much as possible unless and until it's an emergency, because most of the doctors, almost 99% of us, we are available online, and you can consult them through online or WhatsApp or calls too. In case of emergencies, please do not hesitate, but make sure that you sanitize yourself and make sure you follow social distancing. Call the pediatric office and then reach out there. And vaccinations can definitely be delayed for a couple of months, not an issue, but do consult your pediatrician on that.